Right, here's Bonnie again with my favorite Paramount pencil. Anyway, so let's back to with another question. This one is a trig function, and first of all, we read through its cosine. So we start from the maximum and minimum point, and also we got all the information there. Start after that. So this is actually 0. It's actually 21 hours. It's 11 o'clock at night, and it's the 10th of December. So now let's go through those and with some information of the maximum and minimum. How much time is there been between the first low tide and the next high tide here? First low tide, next high tide. So all you need to do for that one is you got 6.25 minus 1.5. So from this to this. So actually it's 6.25 hours. If you want, because it's a quarter of an hour, if you want, you can have it 6 hours and 15 minutes. Depends on what you do. All right, but be aware you do not write down 6.15. That is totally different thing. All right, and then we have the difference between the height between the whole high tide and the height of it. So we have 1.5 minus 0.6, and this time gave us 0.9. P is what the bits that multiply, so how much it have been enlarged forward. Supposed to be a cosine should be 1. Now I have the maximum length minus the maximum height. So P is how much they multiply. So we have 0.9 straight away. As 0.9 divided by 2 to find out how many get through there, so it's 0.45. Q is how much they shift left. So since cosine root is the first maximum, so all you need to do is just write down 12.5, because remember cosine function to like this, and this is the max. So we find the first max we'll do. R, which is the period. That's a bit trickier. So we have the period 2 pi over period BR equals to. Period is from 6.25 upwards and going down. We need to repeat it back to the last bit. So it's 6.25 times 2. All right. After rearranging it, you will get 4 pi over 25. Right now, and then the last two ties. So we need to find out that last two ties will be the first one here. The first one is not high tie, and that's the first one. That should be the next day. 11, 12, 11, 12 at night, morning, at night, 12, 12, and this is 12, 12. I need to find out the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth maximum. So then I need to get to the graph. So we go to manual, graphing. Because it's gradient and because it's the number are smaller numbers, it's not like hundreds or something. So you are using gradient. So double check on it. If it's not, then shift manual, and go down. Make sure the degree, the angle is radian. All right, now it's done. Actually, they are, just in case. Now we could just key in our information, our P, our Q, and then our R. So we have P. Where is our P? We have 0.45 times cos bracket Q 12.5 X close bracket. Oh, sorry, this is Q. And R is here, the moving upwards that much. So R, there's a bit messy here. So the R is max plus min divided by 2. So we have 12.5 plus 6.25 over 2. And then we got 1.05. I'm sorry, I missed that bit. So now we have that to be added to 1.05. And fix the Q, it should be 4 pi over, 4 pi over 25. Now, it's not there, so we have standard trig, but from 0 onwards to 72. Fix it, just follow here. to 72. And the maximum, and for the y value, we do not need that much. Now I need to count to the fourth maximum. So G of maximum, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equals to 50. Now, that's annoying bit now. So it starts from 21 hour of the 10th of December. So if we add 21 at 50, so we got 71, 10, 10 of the, so now we need to move the time onward. So minus 24 to make it 11, 12. So I got 47, still bigger than 48, so I have to minus 48 again. Then, no, sorry, minus 24 again to get to the next day. Then it's 2300 for the second, for the 12th of the 12th. And this is the time we required. And that finished our question. Thank you.